that. What do you think you will be doing when you are 70 years old? I think I will be doing draw some picture or write some story when I'm 70 years old. First, I think I will be artist. Then I drawing some things like pictures or cartoon. I want many people know my drawing skills so they pay me to draw them. Then I got many money so I will be rich too. But I think I can't will be artist because I'm not good at drawing, but I want will be artist. Also, I think I will be writer too. Then I write some story. I want to write famous fantasy story like Harry Potter. Then many people buy my books. Then I will reach too. And I write history story because I like history. Because history is so fun. I think I'm good at writing because I have many creativity. In conclusion, I think I will be draw some picture or write some story when I'm 70 years old, and I'm drawing picture and cartoon. Also, I write fantasy and history story. Thank you for listening my presentation.